Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things luxury beauty and skincare related. My favorite thing in the world is to bring you luxury skincare reviews and to talk about it and let's just start a luxury skincare party. So you guys, the reason for this video is because I just released the review of the ZIIP Halo, and a lot of you had brought to my attention that I really should be using the routines on the ZIIP Halo app, which I guess it shows you multiple routines. And then I guess the way I was using it, you know, it was just noted to me that I should be using the routines that are on the app. So I totally understand and I appreciate that. I think the idea for that video for me was just to show you only my second time using it, kind of like an unboxing thing. But somebody brought to my attention that putting it here could hurt your thyroid. It just kind of prompted me to want to create this video. So I do hear you guys and I want to do this video. I want to do a routine with you guys. So if you're new, if you haven't seen my last video, this is on the ZIIP Halo device. It goes around your skin, you know, putting micro and nanocurrents into it, helping it to become firm, become more bright, helps with anti-aging, and it's just a really good, effective device. I personally am really enjoying it. I'm gonna do a routine, but I'm just gonna show you guys this quick. You have to put the ZIIP Electric Complex Conductive Gel on your skin before you can start utilizing this little device, and this little device is very powerful. So I'm on the ZIIP app right now, and it gives you full facials, treatments, targeted treatments. So you can do for example, you can do your jowls, contour, depuff, eyes, a plumping treatment, a brow lift treatment, full facials. So as far as the treatments for facials, it's the lift, instant gratification. And I think that's the one I want to give us today. An instant gratification one. So it states, now you can pull it up on the website, it's right here. Get dramatic results exactly where you want them. This microcurrent powered facial workout stimulates your muscles to instantly lift and contour your defining features. You'll love reaching for the jaw lifting contouring treatment to prep for a social event or when your skin needs a little pick-me-up. Well, I say our skin needs a little pick-me-up every day. So let's get started. It'll give you the ZIIP tips and the goals. So the goal is to achieve an instantly sculpted appearance. The result is going to be an improved contour of your face, neck, and jawline. Powerful microcurrent, intense vibrations, and the level will be easy. So let's start off with this. I'm gonna do this with you guys. So all you do is you hit start treatment. So I just want to let you guys know what I just did was I connected the app to my device. Now my device is going to be, I'm assuming, geared to do this treatment. So she already has the conductive gel on her face. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just going to work this on my skin. You guys, the conductive gel is absolutely necessary. Absolutely 100% necessary. If you don't use this gel, you're going to burn and you're gonna feel a deep shock-like sensation without it. You need it. It helps. It just goes right with your machine. I definitely don't recommend going in dry. That will really hurt. So this is supposed to be an easier treatment with instant gratification. So let's get this party started. Here we go. I'm gonna turn the volume up.
Now, this is a free-form treatment, which means I'm just a guide for you.
Okay, so she's not doing anything.
Really focus in on exactly what's most important to you and where you want to see that instant lift.
Okay. You guys, this is...
You do not need to follow along with me exactly.
Okay.
You can take these moves and then do those areas. If you want to break it down into jawline, cheekbone.
See, this is why I showed you guys. Why do I do this to myself? Here, she's really moving her device very fast. She's taking it all the way up to her hairline.
Immediate lift. So I'll take 2 vibrations to go from the bottom of the neck. And then all the way up, I'll pull that brow on the way up to the forehead and the hairline.
Up to the forehead and hair, and now she's bringing it.
Really working on the muscle. So you really want to think about.
I like how fast she's moving it, because it doesn't give, you know,
Lifting effect.
time. She just keeps doing the same.
Opening effect. For me, I really like to see that. I always pull the tail of this brow, especially. It's my weak side, so I always pull the tail of that eye up when I come up to the top. If you want that on both sides of your eyes, always hit that tail at the end of your.
So hit the tail of your eye to get a lifting.
Very top of the brow line right here. This gives an overall lifting when you're pulling all the way up into this area.
That's cool. Okay.
We do have to avoid the very center of the neck, always, because of the thyroid.
Okay, she says it. You guys were right.
Definitely. Work the side of the neck.
Oof.
Come in vertical like that.
So she's just doing a whole workout routine. I like this. So much better. Ah! I don't know how good I'm at doing this, guys. Please don't judge this. But I'm so thankful you guys judged the last video I did, because I should have mentioned that it should not be going near your thyroid. That's a serious issue. So thank you so much for calling me out and having me do an updated video. Like, I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you. Just beeped at me. What does that mean? I don't think it means anything. It just means I'm halfway through the treatment.
And it's just the right amount.
Yeah, it is just the right amount.
Really see the effects.
Yeah, I just heard her machine beep.
Nice lift
Ooh!
going on over there. We're gonna now make the same thing happen over here.
Oh my God. I love that. Just bring it up your eye. Wait, how is she doing this? Guys, if I'm not exactly doing it how she's doing it, please don't judge me. I'm trying my best.
It doesn't matter which way's forward. You can see there's the charging port. I'm kind of letting it one side forward, one side back. You can pull vertically. You can do horizontal.
This is so good, you guys. I love this. I love how fast she's going.
Whatever's comfortable for you.
But she's really just essentially moving the device just all through her contours. I mean, I can feel my cheek contour right here. She takes it right up that eye.
Pulls like this to where you're using more than one. So
Am I gonna teach us how to get that cat eye without makeup? Yes! We're gonna give ourselves a real cat eye. Okay, I feel like I'm working this side. She's doing shorter. I'm gonna start on my other side, girl. I feel like, should I?
It really is.
Okay, now she's doing her lips.
For you, what feels most comfortable.
So whatever feels most comfortable, she's saying. See, that's what I was under the impression of, because she seems to be doing all different things. Okay, are we gonna switch sides? Okay, my machine's done. Okay, I'm starting the other side, girl. God.
You want to get under the chin.
Okay, yeah.
Don't come down to the throat. You just move forward from the back to the front. The chin.
Okay, all right. She goes down pretty low, but not near her thyroid. So that's huge. I'm so happy that I paid attention. Like, will let you guys call that out for me. I'm so sorry. I think we could admit when we're wrong.
The lower face, you can spend a lot of time down here.
I'm concerned with everything, girl. Just, we're concerned with everything on this channel. Teach us your ways.
And then just taking that
Nobody wants to pay for Botox over and over, girl.
bulk of
I'm using my monitor as a mirror, by the way.
As I said, what's best for you?
What's best for me is lifting up my eyes because they're also... I like this a lot. I love this machine. Ugh. It's done! What do you guys think? I just want to keep doing it. I know I'm bad. What do you guys think? Is this more helpful? We're working the contours of our face and I'm just lifting up my eyes. Yes, this makes me feel so exercised. Like, I feel like my face is going through a marathon. Like working it like this just feels incredible. But my question would be though, so our thyroid is down there, which I totally get. And when she's talking like thyroid, she's talking like right here. Because that's where I went wrong the first time. So happy you guys called that out to me because I was kind of just winging it myself. What do you do about that part though? Because I noticed some extra sagging in that part, guys. If you guys want me to do more routines for you guys with this, I'm totally open to that. You guys just let me know. I'm just happy that I was able to get on here and refilm for you guys. But what do you guys think? This is my face after. She took me through a pretty intense workout, not gonna lie. I just worked my neck and the whole sides of my face, eye, everything. You know, I did my chin. We did up here a little bit. I mean, I really feel like this gives your face a workout. So let me know. I hope this video was better for you. I hope it was more helpful. If you guys want to see more videos, because I have a ton of different routines that I can show you that are on the app. Oh, wait. And I just saw, the crystal gel is on the app. So there's also multiple gels. Right now I have the electric complex gel, but you can order the crystal gel, which is significantly more expensive. Then there's the golden gel, conductive gel for microcurrent and nanocurrent facials with active anti-aging ingredients. It's $116. Then there's the silver gel. So, I mean, right now we're using the electric complex gel. It's lightweight, conductive gel for microcurrent and nanocurrent facials. That one is the cheapest. It's on their app for $22.50, or the original price is $25 if you don't use the app. You can honestly go order it from Current Body. But yeah, then they have all this. I'm actually pretty interested in, of course, the gold because I love the way gold performs on my skin. And of course, we're gonna get some crystal gel action too. Why not? But yeah, there's a lot to show you guys here. So I'd love to show you guys more videos, and I do need some more practice with this, but I'm honestly enjoying it. So I'm gonna link the products below. If you're interested in buying, or if you wanna see more videos in order to decide, let me know. I did like kind of a first impression video before, so you guys can look that video up. I'll try to remember to link it below. If I don't, just know that I did just do a video on this, and take a look at that. You'll get to see honestly where I went wrong, and what basically not to do, because in the video I kind of hurt myself. So, but this video and the routines have really helped. So thanks so much to my subscribers for catching that for me. I love you guys. Stay tuned for the next video, and if you do order this, I hope you love it just as much as me, because it's a really cool product. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.